Come out of the car or you are under arrest.
He needs to stay away from me.
48 headquarters. Stay right here.
Okay. Hey, touch her.
Do not let him touch her. No, tell him to stay away from me.
What's your name?
Stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out the window. I'm going to break out the window if you don't exit. No, you can go over there.
No.
No! .48 headquarters. She's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck Olivia. Now she's got the collar pinned in. No. Get out of the car! Get out! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!